And good morning, it's my Jeep update for Saturday, April 16th, 2022. And it's about 8:15 in the morning. I've already been working for about a half hour. Okay, right now I'm just cleaning, I'm trying to clean all this dirt and crud off the tank, so when I pull that pump out, anything else I might try to pull out and replace if I use this tank, and so it'd be less debris getting back down in the tank. But if I use this tank, I will thoroughly clean it out inside. And so anyway, I've got everything covered up, you see, with plastic sandwich bags and rubber band off so it can't get water in it. It's really not going to matter because it's going to get thoroughly cleaned out with some kind of chemical. And anyway, that's a quick update, and we'll post later if we get anything else done. I'm hoping to get that fuel pump out today. My Jeep out. My Jeep. Still Friday morning. It's about 8:30 now, I think. Haven't been in for a while. Anyway, I just finished cleaning it. I used a little bit of foam engine degreaser and then some Dawn soap. Brushed it in real good and let it set for about a half hour, and then just rinse it off. I'm gonna let it dry, wipe it down real good, and then I'm going to see about getting that out and see what my percentage of getting it rebuilt. I've got the new pump, but I've got to use the old housing, and I got to get me a new gasket. The pump, most of them, when you buy a pump only, a little kit comes with it, includes the gasket. But the Bosch pump did not have that. It's got the filter or strainers that you got to put in there. And so I want to put a new one in there, and so I'll probably just get that at the local. Try to get that to the local auto parts, O'Reilly's or others. And I got to do some research on this. And I think this is going to be okay. I don't think I'm going to mess with this. I'm just going to get me a new filler hose and vent hose for it. And I'm going to replace this hose. I got to see about, I don't know if I need to replace this valve. I should. So I'm not sure. I can't find out a whole lot about these 2004 fuel tanks on there's very little information. There's some that I really have to dig for. But anyway, that's a quick update, and I'll get back with you a little bit later after I get that pump out and plan on what we'll do from there. And this is my Jeep update, and it's about 10:30, and I got the tank fairly cleaned up, and I'm working on getting this fuel pump out. I've already got it loose. I'm trying to be careful with it because I'm going to have to use this housing if I can. That means I'm going to have to basically rebuild this pump. You see this, it's got an arrow right here where it wants you to line up, so I'll put some fingernail polish on it. And there's an arrow here, and that's where the pump has to go in. Set in that position. I thought I had to mark this, but evidently not. I just got to make sure that pump and that arrow is lined up. think I'm gonna shut down, and then when I got it out, I'll come back online. This may take a while. Okay, I got it loose. See if I can get it the rest of the way. Yeah, see, it's off. It took about 3 minutes. Now, I want to be real careful with this thing because I don't want to damage it. I may have to. I plan on reusing the housing and the cinder. What I can do now. And this reservoir is full of fuel. If there's any impact, I thought it was full, but it's not. I don't see no. I thought there was supposed to be a filter or strainer on this. Maybe it's down in the tank. I'll have to check on that. Anyway, there is the fuel pump, and I do plan on using this housing again. I think everything. I think this is going to be fine. Anyway, that's my Jeep update out for now. Okay, I got the pump out and I got it over here on my table and doing some preliminary. I got I believe that's the fuel sender connector. Got it disconnected. And I'm just kind of looking it over right now. And I may have to go back and look at a video. I've looked at several and reviewed, but I can't figure out how to get this off. There's some way you can pop this loose, but I can't figure it out right now. So anyway, I'll get back with you when I get that figured out. And that's my Jeep out. And good afternoon, my Jeep update. Still Saturday, April 16th. And I think it's around 1 o'clock, 1300 or so. Anyway, ran into another roadblock, having trouble with the pump, trying to disassemble the old module. And I went back on YouTube and I did find a video on this Chrysler. This is the original Chrysler fuel pump. And I don't know what the heck, I got these. It's got 3 little tabs around it. I got those in. I had to get my wife to help me, but we only was able to slide it out this far, and there's something that's keeping it from coming all the way out. I don't know what that is. I have researched and researched, and I cannot find a way to figure this out, you know, to disassemble this thing completely. Now, the video that I saw where the technician was disassembling one of these pumps just like this, he said even though you can, these were not made, Chrysler did not mean for these to be disassembled. So they're not, some of these modules are a lot easier to get apart, but this one's not. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to try again. For over an hour, I've been trying to get this thing apart, and I'm trying not to break it, because that would definitely you know, defeat what I'm trying to do here. But the same company There's the Bosch pump, the same company. I wish I would have saw this, I missed it. They have the same pump for the Jeep, the 04, 99 through 04 Jeeps, already completely assembled. I paid $69 for that, and for $139 you can get the whole assembly, and it's a Bosch pump, and there's supposed to be a better product. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. If I make any progress this afternoon, I'll update again later my Jeep. And this was a quick my Jeep update, and I made some progress. Okay, this is disassembled. I had to be kind of rough with it to get it get it to park. And what I did, you see these tabs here? There's 3 of them. I put a screw, these white tabs are inside, the yellow tabs are on the outside. And what I had to do is I put a screwdriver up underneath each one of these yellow tabs all the way around. I had it upside down, and I was able to push them up to where they was almost out. And when I did that to the 3rd tab, pulling on it, it popped right on out. Why it was I think it was just this little screen or tab, whatever that is. I forget what you call that. I think that's the only thing. I was afraid of breaking it, but I did get a little rough with it. I hope I didn't damage anything. I think the main thing they got to worry about is this float here. But anyway, I'm gonna put it back together. I'll try to get it together this afternoon, and if I'm successful, because I think it's going to be more of a challenge putting it back together, because I was already playing with it, trying to line it back up with the old one, you know. And so there's more to it than what meets the eye for me, anyway. Inexperienced. Now, if you're experienced, you probably put one of these back together in 5-10 minutes. I don't know. But now, if I have a problem with this, you know, now the module and the fuel sender, I'm going to be a little worried about it, because I'm a little tough on it. And I hope I didn't damage anything over here. You see all that. You know. But anyway, I've already notified Premium Parts, the one that I got this Bosch pump from. They had another one. They have another unit that's completely assembled with the Bosch pump. If I have a problem with this, I'm gonna see if I can return this one and pay a little more and get the entire assembly. But that's where I'm at right now, and if I do any more this afternoon, I'll update you. But anyway, these things can be taken apart, but like that one guy said, Chrysler did not intend for these to be rebuilt, you know, to make more money, I guess. I don't know, but they can be. Anyway, that's my Jeep out.